follow me on Instagram. You can see everything that I'm up to, because I'm pretty crap at editing these videos pretty soon after I film them. So anyway, welcome to George Made This. I'm George. Today we're going to make a sign using my logo, and we're going to infill it with some resin. I've already cut the main bits out on the CNC, so here I've got all my outlines, and here are the backgrounds. Let's get cracking. So you should be able to see there's these little tabs. Just when you're CNCing something, you leave in tabs just so that the piece doesn't fly out of the machine and get all ruined. Even though there was a bit of a problem with the dot here, that's okay. Now all I have to do to get rid of those is just get a Stanley knife, and you can just almost carve them away. But then that leaves it nice and smooth. So I'm going to go around and do that just in case that wasn't visible. Let's go like that. Lovely. Right, we've reached a slight modification point. So you can see here where there's this gap between the E and the O of George. That's just where the tool could only go to this point, and then it just carried on with the rest of the carve. Now I've already done it with the background. Let's turn it up the right way so it's easier to see. So that thing is here. All I've done is I've cut away on either side that joining bit and then just sanded it so there's a gap there. So we'll go ahead and do the same with this bit. There we go. And the good thing about MDF is it's so easy to work that you'd never even know there wasn't a gap there in the first place. Okay, so all the parts of the sign are glued together. I don't know what my hands are doing, but I'm just going to go over a little tip that Jimmy DeResta actually posted in his stories, and it's about painting these edges, because I'd like all of the edges to be black. So what you do is you turn it upside down, and then that way, when you spray down on this edge, you won't get any on the bits on the inside of the sign that are already painted. It's going to take a few coats because it's MDF, but super handy, super neat, and it works wonderfully. Thank you. painted the sign with a brush, but there's loads of marks. It's a foam brush, but there's still swoosh marks, we'll call them. So I'm going to use this roller tray and this roller and try and get a nice smooth finish on the top, just to sort of give it a nice finish. Nice concise way of saying that.